If I had 90 days to get my A1Cs below 5.7, these are the 5 steps I would start right away. Number 1, fix hydration first. No soda, no juice, no sweet drinks. Simple rule to follow, your urine should be light yellow. Dark yellow means you're behind on fluids. When you are dehydrated, sugar is hard to control. Number 2, clean up your food. I will start tracking what I eat for a week or 14 days. And if it comes in a bag, box, or has a barcode, it's gone. The more real whole food you eat, the easier it is to stabilize blood sugar. Next, I would lower my carbohydrates and build my food around fiber and protein, with lots of green vegetables, eggs, fish, chicken. Step 3, I would start time-restricted eating instead of grazing from morning till night. Most people do well with a 12 to 14-hour fast, working their way up to 16-hour fast as their body adapts. When insulin gets a break, sensitivity improves and A1Cs can start coming down. Step 4 is to walk daily, especially after your meals. 10, 20, 30 minutes, it doesn't matter as long as you're consistent every day. Muscle movement pulls sugar out of the bloodstream. Post-meal walks are absolute magic for your blood sugar. Step 5, set up a cut-off time for food. I would stop eating at least 3 hours before bedtime. Late eating keeps blood sugar and insulin elevated all night. It wrecks sleep and slows down the progress. Better sleep will lead to better insulin sensitivity and better results.